friends, welcome to Healthy Natural Remedies. Omega-3 fatty acids are healthy fats we get through our diet that come with a number of essential health benefits for the mind and body. Omega-3 fatty acids are an essential nutrient that assists with cognitive function, joint health, and cardiovascular strength. If you do not get enough of these key fatty acids in your diet, it can lead to various health concerns, including poor sleep, dry skin conditions, and even an increased risk of heart disease. But don't panic. In most cases, deficiencies can easily be rectified by making simple changes to your diet and lifestyle. In this video, we will talk about 6 most common signs that you may be lacking in omega-3 fatty acid in your body.
Cell metabolism improves by consuming the equivalent amount of omega-3 fats. It enriches the cell activity, but due to the deficiency of omega-3 fatty acids leads to a reduction in body metabolism and results in increased body weight. More than 40% of people die due to heart failure, mainly because of high bad cholesterols called as LDL cholesterol. Omega-3 fatty acid in your diet will reduce the risk of all heart problems. Due to the deficiency of omega-3 in the body, the skin develops some rashes called as eczema. Intake of omega-3 DHA fats can balance this condition up to 23%. It also reduces the inflammation formed in the body. Majority of women and few men suffer from deficiency on bone mineral density. Especially after 60 years, they are prone to all kinds of bone problems. This is commonly referred as arthritis. Inflammation is the sign of danger in your body. And the good thing is, omega-3 fats can fight inflammation. Supplement your diet with omega-3 fats and reduce stiffness in the joints. Also, omega-3 fatty acids can combat the destruction of cartilage due to osteoarthritis. Depression cases are reported to be reduced up to 60% in places where people have sufficient omega-3 fats. The happiness-giving hormone, serotonin, can be kept in a balanced form by including omega-3 fats in your diet. Healthy brain contains 60% omega-3 fats. Then it goes without saying that the level must be maintained at the same level for proper functioning. When there is a deficiency in their standard, the myelin sheath that is surrounding the nerve cells will start depleting. Then there will be a slowdown in the input sent to the brain and stops eventually. A higher level of omega-3 helps to improve learning ability and reduces conditions like ADD. But you need not worry, as many foods naturally have omega-3 fats. The 3 types of omega-3 fatty acids are eicosapentaenoic acid, docosahexaenoic acid, and alpha-linolenic acid. EPA and HA are more important for health, and they are present in anchovies, swordfish, salmon, herring, sardines, and tuna. Also, algae, the vegan source, has omega fats. ALA is present in plant sources including walnuts and flax seeds.
You are most likely to develop omega-3 deficiency symptoms if you rarely eat fish or seafood and eat lots of processed foods and vegetable oils that are high in omega-6. To prevent omega-3 deficiency, eat fish, nuts and seeds several times per week, and also consider supplementing with quality fish oil. That is all for today. If you like the video, please hit like button and subscribe to our channel and hit bell icon and share this video with your friends. Stay healthy, stay fit. God bless you.